Exercise 12.2. We have to determine whether these are in proportion or not. For that, first of all, we'll be seeing 15 and 45. 15 is A, 45 is B, 40 is C, and 120 is D. So first of all, we will divide for 15 and 45 with the same table. 15 and 45 goes in the table of 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. That is 1/3 will be your answer. That is 1:3. Next, we will be checking C and D. That is 40/120. 40/20, 0 zeros will get cancelled out. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. That is 1/3 again. That means you are getting the answer 1:3 again. That means your A and B is proportionate to C and D. 1:3 is equivalent to 1:3. So that means 15:45 is proportionate to 40:120. So at the last we can write that these are in, therefore these are in proportion. Clear? These numbers are in proportion. Clear? 33.
Here the ratio of 33 and 121 equals to 33:121. So, ma'am, 11 3s are 33, 11 11s are 121.
Absolutely right.
So the answer will be 3:11.
Very
the ratio
good.
of 9 and 96 is 9:96. 3 3s are 9. 3 32s are 96 equals to, the answer is 3:32. So, ma'am, these are not in proportion, means
they are not equal. Both left hand side and right hand side are not equal. That means A ratio B is not equivalent to, not proportionate to C and D. That's why you will be writing, you will be putting not equal to sign in between. Okay. If they are not equal, you will be putting not equal to sign over there and write it down. Therefore, these are not in a proportion. Yes, Charvi, unmuted. 32, 48, 70, and 210. C part.
One second, ma'am.
Yes, Tanishq.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, C part 24, 28, 36, 48. So, ma'am, first we will divide it. 24 divided by 28. Ma'am, as we know, 4 6 are 24 and 4 7s are 28.
Absolutely
so, ma'am,
right.
Answer will be 6
Ratio
6/7.
6/7. That is.
And we will divide 36 by 48.
Hmm.
Ma'am, as we know, 12 threes are 36 and 12 fours are 48.
Yes.
So, ma'am, we will write 3/4 or 3:4.
Yes. So 6:7 and 3:4 are not equivalent.
Yes.
So that means they are not in a proportion. That's right,
Yes.
Tanishq. Yes, Charvi, unmuted.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 32/48. Ma'am, this cut it's two table and
32 goes with the table of 16. 16
ma'am,
to
2/3 is answer and 2:3.
Yes, because
And
16
ma'am,
twos are
next number.
32 and 16 threes are 48. It goes in the table of 16.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right.
Now, ma'am, there are 70 and 210. So 0 will cut through 0 and this 7/21 is left. It cuts from 7 table. 7 1 just 7 and 7 3 just 21. So the answer is 1/3. So 1:3. So ma'am, this is not a proportion.
Yes, they are not in the proportion because 2:3 is not equivalent to 1:3. So that's why they are not in the proportion. Good. Yes, Ridhima, unmuted.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, D.
Yes, D part.
E part.
E part.
4 by 6 is cut from two table. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6.
Right.
And 8 by 12 is cut by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12. And they are not in proportion.
They are in proportion. 2:3 is equivalent to 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. It can be cut more further also, beta. You have cut with the table of 2, na? 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Then again you can cut that table with both the numbers with the table.
They are in proportion.
Because 2:3 is equivalent to 2:3. That's why 4:6 is proportionate to 8:12. Yeah. Yes, Kavya, unmuted. Unmuted, Kavya. Unmuted again. Yes, Kavya.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, please show me C and D of 12.2.
Beta, here also we are following the same rule, 24/28. Cut it with the same table. Cut 24 and 28 with the same table. 36 and 48 with the same table. Okay, both numerator and denominator will be cut with the same table. It goes in the table of 4. This goes in the table of 12. Clear? In F part, 33 and 44 is given. It goes in the table of 11. 11 3s are 33. 11 4s are 44. So it will become 3:4. And 75/100 also goes in the table of 25. 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. Or you can cut with the table of 5 also. Then you cut further. Okay, 2 times you can cut with the table of 5. You will get the same answer. So 33:44 is proportionate to 75:100. So they are in proportion. 3:4 is equivalent to 3:4. In question number 2.
Ma'am, question number 2, ma'am, we have to do in book or notebook?
Notebook. You have to solve it. Okay. You have to tell whether they are in proportion or whether they are not in the proportion. As you have done question number 1, same way you have to do question number 2 also. In question number 1, you have told us that if they are in proportion, then the statement is true. If they are not in the proportion, the statement will be false. Okay. Is it clear? Yes, Bhumika, unmute yourself. 16:24 is proportionate to 20:30. So in which table 16 and 24 goes? Both the numbers. Yes, Bhumika. Unmuted, beta. Open your camera, Bhumika. Yes, Saksham, unmuted. 16 and 24 goes in which table?
Ma'am, 2.
2. 2, how much?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2 8 are 16 and
Yes.
ma'am,
2, 8 is 16,
ma'am,
right?
2 12 are 24.
Very good. Now 8 and 12 is coming. 8 and 12 also goes in the table of
2.
2. How much?
2 4 are 8 and 2 6 are 12.
Absolutely right. Again, 4 upon 6 is there. Again, you can cut this number.
2.
Hmm.
2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6.
Right. So 2 upon 3. Can it be cut it more further, or it can be, this is the lowest form?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it is the lowest form. So 2 ratio 3.
Right.
And
Two.
and ma'am, 20 upon 30.
Hmm.
It is, ma'am, we cancel 0
Right.
to 0, and 2 upon 3, 2 ratio 3 is the answer.
So is it true or false?
So ma'am, it is 2. Ma'am,
It
so
is
it
true.
is 2.
Yes, 16 ratio 24 is proportionate to 20 ratio 30. So it is true. Absolutely right. Very good, Saksham. Yes, Aditya, unmuted. 21 ratio 6 is proportionate to 35 ratio 10.
Ma'am, first we have to divide it with 3. So ma'am, 3 sevens are 21 and 3 twos are 6.
Very good.
So,
So 7 upon
7,
2 goes in any table.
7 upon 2, no ma'am.
So this is the lowest form. That means
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, 35 by 10, it will go with the table of 5. So ma'am, 5 sevens are 35 and 5 twos are 10. So both
absolutely
are
right.
7 ratio to 7 ratio 2. So they are proportion.
So the statement is true.
Yes, ma'am. It's true.
Yes, it's true. Good. Yes, Kanishka. Tell me the next one. 8 ratio 9 goes in any table. 8 and 9 goes in any of the table. In the same table. Kanishka, unmute yourself. Kanishka Singh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
8 and 9 goes in any of the table. Sorry, C part. 12 ratio 18.
12. Ma'am, yes, ma'am, 2.
2. Which cut it with the table of 2 then.
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 2 by 3.
In the table of 2, it will goes by 2 by 3. You're talking about which table it will get cancelled out. Tell me that. Both the numbers 12 and 18 goes in which table? I'm asking that.
Ma'am, 2.
2. How much? 12 comes where? In the table of 2.
Ma'am, 6.
2 6 are 12 and 18.
Yes, ma'am.
18.
Ma'am, 9.
2 9s are 18. Now 6 and 9 can be cancelled out more, or this is the lowest form.
Ma'am, lowest form.
6 and 9 doesn't goes in any of the table.
Ma'am, 2 and 3.
3. 3 how much?
3. Ma'am, 3 twos are.
3 2s are 6 and
Ma'am, 3 threes are 9.
3 3s are 9. Absolutely right. So the lowest form is 2 by 3. So the
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
will be 2 ratio 3.
3.
Now 28 and 12.
Ma'am, 28 and 12.
On which?
Ma'am,
In
7.
7. How can it goes in the table of 7? Just think of it. In which table both the numbers will go? 28 and 12.
28 and 12.
Hmm.
Uh,
Both 28 and 12. Yes, Jen, can you tell me 28 and 12, both numbers will go in which table? In which table do you see 12 and 28, both the numbers? Yes.
Ma'am, 4.
4. How much? It goes in the table of 24.
4 divided by 20 is 7.
Yes.
And
4
4 divided by
4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28. You can't say this thing. Kanishka and Yash, what happened? You know, 28 and 12 both goes in the same table of 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 7s are 28. Speak it like this, okay? So 7:3 and 2:3 both are not in the proportion. 2:3 and 7:3 are not in the proportion. So the statement is false here. Okay. Yes, Bhumika, give me the next one answer. 8:9.
Yes, ma'am.
8 and 9 goes in any table? Both the numbers.
8 and 9.
Does these numbers 8 and 9
No,
goes
ma'am.
in any of the table? No. So 8 and 9 is in lowest form. ये lowest form में है 8 and 9.
Ma'am, 8 and 9.
Yes or no?
Ma'am, your breaking.
24 and 27. 24 and 27, beta. Goes in which table? You can cut these numbers both from which table? Yes, Ridhima.
Ma'am, from 3 table.
Table of
3
3.
8 are 20. 3 8 are 24 and 3 9 are 27.
Yes, right. 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27. So 8:9 and 8:9 both are getting the same answer. That means the statement is true here. 8:9 is proportionate to 8:9. That means the answer is true over here. 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27. Yes, Tanishq. 5.2 is ratio 3:9. 3.9, sorry. Is proportionate to 3:4. So 5.2 when changed into fraction, what it will become?
Mom, if we will change 5.2 into fraction, Mom, it will be 5 upon 2.
No. Wait. 5.2. Yes, Tanishq, unmute yourself and tell me. After decimal, how many numbers are there? How many digits are there?
Mom, 1 digit is there.
1 digit is there. So it will become 52 upon 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It will become 52 upon 10. And 3.9. How many digits are there after decimal?
Mom, 1 digit is there.
So it will become 39 upon 10. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can cancel it out from which table? 52 and 10 goes in which table? And one more thing is there. It's written proportion ratio sign. That means we can put a division sign here also, because 5.2 is divided by this. You can write it like this: 52 upon 10 multiplied by 10 upon 39. 10 and 10 get cancelled out. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 14 upon 13. This way. Division will change into multiplication and the number in front of the division will get reciprocal out of it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now 3:4, is it equal to that? 5.2 divided by 3.9.
Not equal.
They are not equal. 4:3 and 3:4 are not equal. So you can write it down. The statement is false here.
Yes.
Next one is 0.9 ratio 0.36 proportionate to 10:4. Yes, Avni unmuted. 0.9 ratio 0.36 proportionate to 10:4.
Equals to 9 upon 10 plus 100 upon 36
Yes.
equals to 90 upon 36 equals to 90 upon 36. Ma'am, we have to cut with the table of 18. 18
Yes.
5 is 90. 18 2 is 36. Thus,
Yes.
0.9 ratio 0.36 equals to 10:4 or 10:4. 10 2 5 are 10, 2 2s are 4. So answer will be 5:2. Since
If you're getting 10:4 here, so the other part is also having 10:4. You can
5:2.
5:2. That will also be get
Since
converted.
0.9 ratio 0.36 equals to 10:4.
Or you can stop it over here and you can write it like this also, beta. If you are getting 10:4, the other side is already 10:4. So both the sides are equal. That means that is the statement is true.
Therefore, ma'am, it is true.
You don't have to change more into the lowest form because already on the right hand side it is given 10:4. So you can stop it over here and you can write it down straight away that both the sides are equal now. If 10:4 you are getting. Yeah.